Tell me, you've seen, this is where Chutki died, right? You can see how fast these people are going past. This is where all the flowers have gone away. Now tell me, I look at you with a number of cars zipping past. Tell me, what should we do?
It's just so heart-wrenching and really sad to see such a young, bubbly life being taken away like this. Her name was Chutki. She came in a flash. She went in a flash. It's just very, very disappointing for us human race. So I'm glad you've taken up the responsibility of setting up a petition, and I'm sure you've got a lot of signatures. And
Not really. We need some more. We need awareness.
We will do our best to make it happen. But for starters, what I feel is, the bare minimum that could be easily done is if they can put up big signposts like they do, drive slowly, wear helmet, stuff like that, at all the entrances of Cubbon Park where the traffic is going in, to drive slow, dogs crossing. Dogs live here too. So it's just simple 2 sentences which can easily be grasped when they're driving. I think even out of 10, if 5 people read it and slow down, I think we have some hope.
We need a speed limit.
We need a speed limit, definitely.
For sure. We need rumblers.
Yes, rumblers, speed limit,
signboards.
and we need signboards.
And do you think at all that looking at this beautiful face will make a difference to anybody?
Definitely. Whose heart won't mend looking at her? Look at those ears.
Look at those ears. Did you see the
Look at
halo on her head?
tongue.
This was a happy dog. But you know what?
Not even a year old.
9.5 months, and there she is, This spot is where she's gone. And this is where Vishal has picked her up. Heart still beating in a place and taken her. While I'm grateful to Vishal, how many people like Vishal would do it? Let's be honest.
And whoever hit her should have stopped at least and picked her up and taken her to the side. Even if they were in a hurry.
Yeah.
How dare you hit a dog and just drive off?
Do you know how many of these, the cabs are in a hurry to go where they're going?
Yeah.
So they don't care.
No, I'm sorry, that doesn't work.
And why are the security at Cubbon Park instructed by higher authorities not to care for the dogs?
I don't know.
I really need an answer for this.
I don't know. And I'm asking you even a bigger question now.
They need to report an accident, not do anything else.
Them dogs don't matter.
Yeah.
And for them right now, we are talking about a place where there should not be traffic at all.
It's a park.
This is a park. This is not a thoroughfare. But for those people, and let's be honest, even for people like us, we're going from place to place. For them, this is only a road. For us,
Photograph I will share with you, Priya. Just before they open the gates, 20 parrots sitting on this wire.
oh.
I'll share it on the group.
And you think we're going to see those parrots back?
Beautiful.
We
You
won't.
won't see them again.
We won't.
For 8-9 months, didn't we not make do with not using these?
Oh my gosh, those were the best. Mowgli, I know you're going to miss her.
For everyone.
It
For the
was.
animals, most of all.
Most
It's their
of all.
home.
So these two for her, those 2 posters, which mean nothing and everything for us. But I hope at least there's some message, something happens, some good works out from here. But she cannot go without remembrance and without some justice being done. If nothing else, the only way we can cope is to be able to say, let's make this a little better.
Little safer how much ever we can.
Mimsy was chasing cars today, which is unusual for him. So they have seen it. They have seen it.
Yeah. And that's the next scary thing.
Hello, my Mimsy.
He used to fight with Chutki and eat coffee. Very bad boy.
And that's how she went. That's how she went. Rest in peace, Chutki. We love you and we always will. We won't be all cried out. We'll do something about it.
Rakesh didn't make it. Okay. Okay, I think I'm going to get